In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix slow download speed in Google Chrome on Windows 10 or 11. The first thing you may want to do is, of course, open up your browser and type in the exact same address in the address bar, Chrome, then flags, and now once inside, use the search bar and here type in parallel until you see parallel downloading. Here, make sure that you switch it from default to enabled, then press the relaunch button. Your browser or Chrome will then restart, and the next thing you may want to do is click on the three dot icon at the top right, then click on Settings. Now in the left panel, click on Privacy and Security, then go to Security. Now from here, scroll down and look for Use Secure DNS and make sure that you toggle this on. And for the DNS provider, the recommended provider would be Cloudflare and Google Public DNS or Open DNS. So you can try switching from either of those. Now go back to privacy and security. And from here, click on delete browsing data. And from the filter drop down menu, switch from all time and make sure that you tick all the box, then press delete data. Now, if your downloads are still slow, make sure that you turn off any VPN that you're using as it can slow down downloads. Lastly, make sure that you turn off or disable any extensions that might slow down your downloads. And you can do that by heading over to this puzzle like icon at the top and disable extensions by clicking on the three dot icon beside it and click on remove from Chrome. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!